Arogya Setu is an app which is built under the guidance of government, and it's built by some extraordinary people from the private sector working very closely with the National Informatics Center. And it's a brilliant effort to be able to come up with an app which can help us keep the people safe to the extent possible in this huge challenge. The difficulty about coronavirus is that it can get transmitted, and a person could be carrying that for several days, not even realize that he or she is infected, and end up unwittingly infecting others around him, the friends, family members, people, any other persons they come in contact with, without actually getting to know that they have a problem, or they are spreading infection. The only way to do this, to actually help people in this, is to use technology seriously and thoroughly, so that if a person has has a risk of being infected, he or she gets informed well in time, even before the symptoms occur, get appropriate guidance on how to self isolate, when to look out for what kind of symptoms, and what is the time when they need to be tested if required, and what is the time they need to seek medical help if required, and get connected to that. So this is a way, uh, you know uh, think of possibility that uh, you had come in contact with someone over the past 10 or 15 days, uh, who later on turns out to be COVID positive.
Yes.
And you would not know, you would not really get to know otherwise. But this app would be able to sense the proximity, that you have been close to that person over the period of risk. It does as an assessment of what kind of risk you have of contracting this virus, and it then brings in the appropriate guidance for you. So it's the only way. There is no other way to be able to get this advance intimation, to be able to get advance intimation and break the chain of spread of virus. So I would say that it's an extraordinary app which has been developed. It has been kept on infrastructure which is capable of scaling hugely, and it's extremely important that everyone, almost everyone, has this downloaded and working on his or her smartphone.